5 must-know facts about CBD. 1. CBD is a key ingredient in cannabis. CBD is one of over 60 compounds found in cannabis that belong to a class of molecules called cannabinoids. Of these compounds, CBD and THC are usually present in the highest concentrations, therefore, they are the most studied and recognized. CBD and THC concentrations tend to vary among different plants. Marijuana grown for recreational purposes usually contains more THC than CBD, as THC is what causes the high. 2. CBD is non-psychoactive. Unlike THC, CBD does not cause a high. Using selective breeding techniques, cannabis breeders have managed to produce plants with high concentrations of CBD with next to zero levels of THC. This is extremely beneficial, as health professionals prefer treatments with minimal side effects. 3. CBD reduces the negative effects of THC. CBD seems to offer natural protection against the marijuana high. Numerous studies have shown that CBD acts to reduce the intoxicating effects of THC, such as memory impairment and paranoia. CBD also seems to counteract the sleep-inducing effects of THC, which may explain why some strains of cannabis are known to increase alertness. 4. CBD has a wide range of medical benefits. According to a 2013 review published in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology, studies have found CBD to possess the following medical properties: anti-emetic, reduces nausea and vomiting; anticonvulsant, suppresses seizure activity; antipsychotic, combats psychosis disorders; anti-inflammatory, combats inflammatory disorders; antioxidant, combats neurodegenerative disorders; antitumoral and anti-cancer, combats tumor and cancer cells; anxiolytic and antidepressant, combats anxiety and depression disorders. 5. CBD is still illegal. Even though CBD has shown great promise as a medicine, it is still illegal in many parts of the world. CBD is classed as a Schedule II drug in Canada and a Schedule I drug in the United States. What do you think? Should CBD be legalized? Share your thoughts below in the comments section. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment to leave a like and share our video. Subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss any of our upcoming facts, trivia, and countdown videos. Thanks for watching.